Here's a new piece, Powerflex replacement bush engine mounting, which comes with a couple of washers and some silicone grease. Here's the old piece, hacked out with a hacksaw. Took about an hour. Trick is to remember to whack upwards away from the bearing edge. That's the tools I use, an old hacksaw, big screwdriver, big hammer and a little doodad. Give this a clean out. Nice bit of fine sandpaper just to take any sharp edges off. Make sure it's nice. Stick a bit of the silicone grease on the part. I put it on the flat edges there, which is a bit stupid because it's obviously not going to touch anything. Whack it on. And also on the metal part that goes through the middle. It just slips in there. It's not a difficult fit. Bob's your uncle. And then stick the other side in like that. Put the washers on. Stick those on with a bit of grease, that'll stop them falling off. And then put in the bracket bit. And that's it. Easy peasy.